Hi, pet lovers! Planning a trip with your furry friends? Navigating pet travel in the USA is easier than you think as long as you know the rules. Stay with me, and I'll guide you through everything you need to know. First up, let's talk about flying with pets. Each airline has its own policies, but here's what you need to know. Most airlines only allow small dogs and cats in the cabin. Larger pets usually fly in the cargo hold. Your pet's carrier needs to be airline approved and fit under the seat in front of you. Be ready to pay. Airlines typically charge $100 to $200 per pet. Some airlines require a health certificate from your vet, issued within 10 days of travel. Oh, and here's a tip: book early. Airlines often limit the number of pets allowed per flight. Now, if you're hitting the open road, here's how to make it a smooth ride for everyone. Use a crate, carrier, or seatbelt harness to keep them safe. Plan to stop every 2 to 3 hours for bathroom and water breaks. Never leave your pet alone in the car, especially on hot days. It's not just dangerous, it's illegal in many states. Bring food, water, toys, and any meds they need. Did you know some gas stations have pet-friendly areas? Yelp it up next time you stop. Let's talk laws. Every state has different rules about traveling with pets. Here are some highlights. In California, pets must be restrained if traveling in the bed of a pickup truck. Hawaii has strict quarantine laws for animals due to being rabies-free. Plan ahead if you're flying here. In Maine state, leaving pets in cars in extreme weather can lead to fines and even criminal charges. When in doubt, check the state's Department of Agriculture or DMV website for specifics. Finding a pet-friendly place to stay? Easy peasy. Chains like La Quinta, Best Western, and Kimpton are known for their pet policies. Use the pet-friendly filter when searching for stays. Always check if there are extra cleaning fees for pets. Keep your pet leashed in common areas and clean up after them. And always call ahead to confirm the policy, cause nobody likes surprises, especially not your pupper. Traveling with something more exotic? Birds, reptiles, and rodents have special rules. Some states require permits for exotic animals. Not all airlines accept exotic pets, so call ahead. Check if your pet is legal in your destination state. Some have restrictions on certain species. Pro tip: exotic pets often get stressed during travel. Keep them comfy with familiar items, like their favorite blanket or toy. Here's the golden rule: your pet's comfort and safety come first. Plan ahead, pack smart, and don't forget to snap those adorable travel selfies. So, are you ready to hit the road or take to the skies with your best fur end? Drop your favorite travel story or tip in the comments below. And don't forget to follow us for more positively awesome content.